Another thing you can do on the online dashboard is to set your personal information. So if you go to the personal center here, contact info, you can change who the responsible person will be shown on the screen on the AI cooler on the product screen, so that if there are any issues, they know who to contact and what their contact number is. So you just go in here, contact info, you change it to whatever you want and click submit for it to save. And it should now show up on the machine as well. So once you have set up the correct inventory amount on your online dashboard, as well as have loaded your machine correctly, you're basically done, except one last step. We need to hide this navigation bar. To do that, we just click the rectangle here, scroll up, and go to settings, and under display advanced, you'll see this line here that says Navibar control, and we want to go and turn that off. And as you can see, the Android navigation disappears, and we go back. And now to get back to the vending screen, we need to go to the computer here. On the mobile version of the website, we click machine restart and just click app restart. And it says operation successful. And then on the machine, you will see that the app restarts itself. And now you're back at the vending screen showing the products. And as you can see, your contact information will also be shown here. And now if you want to change settings again, well, you can't use the navigation bar anymore, which is good. It prevents customers from changing it. But to enter the settings, you actually need a password now from your computer. So on your computer, on the mobile version of the dashboard, you click enter setting. You confirm that it's correct time and click confirm. And it'll give you a 6-digit password that's only valid for 5 minutes. So then you gotta quickly go back to the machine. And to enter the password, you just hold the machine ID and you enter the password that was given, in their case 493891. And now you are back in the settings center. First thing to check is to click card and make sure it's turned on, and also that the type is nayax_viz.ai. That is the type we want for our machine. Click save. It'll prompt you to restart. We don't have to just yet. And then we go to app setting, and here you can see where you can set the delay time for entering the advertisement screen, and also the delay time for locking the door when the door is not opened. That is when a customer taps but does not open the door, how long it takes for it to lock itself again. So we click close here and then go to system. And then here, if you click more, it takes you back to the general Android settings again, where you can change things like language and time. You can bring back the navigation bar under display, as well as any other Android settings you want to change. And finally, to go back again to the product screen, you just need to, again, go back to the computer here and click machine restart and just click app restart. And that will prompt on the machine to restart the vending app. If you just give it a second, it will take you right back to the vending screen. And once it's back here, before you leave the machine, you can be relatively confident in setup. Make sure you do test transactions using an actual credit card and this Nayax terminal to make sure that everything has been set up correctly. Another important setting to check is here in the mobile operating system. We go to machine management, find the machine that you're interested in, scroll down. Under parameter configuration, make sure the currency matches your local currency. So in the United States, it will be USD here, and in Canada, it will be CAD here. So make sure that the currency matches your local currency. And when you've changed this, you need to click Submit and Confirm, and that will restart your machine and it will be set to the correct currency.